for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: retractable cargo cover. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, AHA, audio digital sound processing, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, Mazda Connect, satellite communications, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, child safety locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.